Extreme power, extreme machines, extreme action. Watch as firewood processors tear through timber and monster chainsaws bring raw destruction. Get ready, because this is going to be one wild ride. Wow, keeping city streets safe after storms isn't easy, but the Tiger Cat 720G makes it look simple. With a perfect mix of raw power and agility, this machine handles pruning and removal like a pro. Clean sightlines, safer neighborhoods. That's the real deal.
Friday, so we had loader man from one of our smaller crews come out, and we ended up getting 13, and we ended off the week on 73 bad, not having any production days. At least.
Tired of fighting with stubborn stumps? The Trevi Benny stump cutter and splitter is a lifesaver. Built from hard-ox steel and packed with a heavy-duty hydraulic system, it tears through even the nastiest stumps fast. Less time, less stress, and more efficiency. Whoa, talk about a beast. The Gen's chipper truck packs up to 320 horsepower with a massive 55-inch drum, devouring nearly 650 cubic yards of wood every single hour. Logs, brush, whole trees, you name it. This machine doesn't just process wood, it dominates it. Sometimes the simplest ideas are the smartest. This manual log splitter has no motor, no gas, just pure muscle and clever engineering. It's old school grit mixed with modern design, and honestly, it works like a charm. Wow, check this out. This homemade machine, called the Profi Holzspalter Liegend, takes splitting wood to the next level. With 30 tons of splitting force and an adjustable cross for 3-foot logs, it's built for real efficiency. 2 people can split over 700 cubic feet of wood in a single day. That's impressive. No shortcuts here. Step 1, dig. Wow, we've all been there, stuck with a stubborn stump that just won't budge. When the farm jack gave up, the Truella monkey winch powered through. With unmatched strength and reliability, it turned hours of frustration into minutes of work. If you want stumps gone fast, this is the tool. Amazing, the Husqvarna 365 isn't just for everyday firewood cutting. It's a true workhorse in the woods. Tough enough for logging and tree processing, yet reliable enough to keep as your daily go-to saw. It's a solid mix of power and dependability. Whoa, now this is next level. With the Dennis Simf DAF 180D on a Bobcat T650, you've got a land-clearing monster. Forestry mulching power that handles tough terrain, clears vegetation, preps land for construction, and even maintains trails or estates. This is serious versatility. Wow. Take a look at this homemade log splitter on an excavator. It powers through oak logs up to 32 inches like they're nothing. Incredible, right? But the big question, could it handle softer woods like pine or fir just as well? Drop your guesses in the comments. I want to hear what you think. Whoa, check this bad boy out. The Ponce Scorpion is in a league of its own. With its unique triple frame design, it brings unmatched power, comfort, and control to any forestry job. This machine doesn't just work, it dominates. A real game changer. Wow, let's be real. Dealing with stumps is a nightmare. But with the GreenTech Piranha, it's like a walk in the park. With its cutting-edge grinding head, this beast chews through stumps of any size. Trust me, after 20 years as an arborist, this is the real deal. Whoa, sometimes it's not just the trees, it's your gear too. Always stay alert, stay careful, because one careless move can cost you big. This clip proves it's not just about cutting, it's about smart, safe handling. Alright folks, here's a real showdown. The Stihl MS362C versus the Husqvarna 562XP. Both are pro-level saws in the 60cc class, but they shine differently. The Stihl delivers raw torque while the Husky focuses on efficiency and ergonomics. With X-Torque engine tech, you're also getting better fuel economy and fewer emissions. Which team are you on? Wow, ever seen a log so massive you wondered how to cut it? Meet the Wood Miser WM1000. This sawmill handles logs up to 67 inches across. The thin kerf blade means less waste and more usable lumber. Plus, with automated controls, it's easier than you think. This isn't your grandpa's sawmill, it's a modern marvel. Unbelievable. Look at this drum chipper go. From giant trunks to tiny branches, it eats everything in its path and spits out perfect chips.
It's going straight away from us. The opposite. It's my...
Because he's cut it like that, it's just going to slide out like that.
Yeah.
And fall down.
Yeah, and if that happens...
Oh man, that was close. The tree was falling the wrong way, and this kid was just inches from disaster. He was crazy lucky to walk away without a scratch. A split second different, and it could have been really bad. Stay safe out there, folks. Wow, this screw-type wood splitter looks simple but smart. Engineering-wise, it's efficient, but safety could be better. Add emergency stop buttons and a foot pedal, and you're good. What's touching is how the operator let his kids try, reminding us that parents' biggest job is teaching independence, because one day, we won't be there. Whoa, have you ever seen a Scania R650 V8 up close? This truck sparks instant desire the moment you see it. It's not just about specs, it's about the feeling it gives you. Scania knows how to make a truck feel like part of who you are. What do you think? Does the R650 V8 hit you the same way? If this video blew your mind, drop a 1 in the comments. Your support fuels our fire to bring more insane machine action your way. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you love this kind of content. Wow, say hello to the TRV 1200L, the ultimate wood waste transformer. Italian engineering at its finest, with a massive 22-inch blade, smart PLC control, and pneumatic clamping that handles any scrap. Safety features like a rapid blade brake and protective doors seal the deal. This isn't just a machine, it's peace of mind and profit in one. Wow, check this out. The TB900 Pezzolato is a Firewood powerhouse. Built in Italy, this industrial beast delivers 40 tons of splitting force and handles logs up to 35 inches wide. With a 30 horsepower electric motor and advanced hydraulics, it pumps out over 2,300 cubic feet of firewood per hour. If you're serious about production, this is your machine. Wow, what a ride. From epic log splitters to monster saws, today had it all. Don't forget to drop your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed the action, show some love with a thumbs up and a subscribe. More insane machine power is coming your way.